activities. Like last month we did anti-bullying.
Kids' jobs in student council is to organize fun events for everyone. Like now we're gonna do food drive, and we organize Bully Prevention Month, and some of the things that were there like Kind Day, passing the Post-it notes, and that's pretty much it.
I think the impact, I mean it's a brand new club, so far we're just beginning to see the impact, but I really think that there's been kind of more of a sense of community with the student council. We're really trying hard to like bring up the spirit of Hoover with like passing out the pencils for singing the school song, or just joining together for like great causes, like for example the UNICEF cause or the anti-bullying. So just bringing the school together as a community. The teachers' jobs for student council are to kind of just facilitate and kind of organize the group. The members of student council have a lot of great ideas, so we just try to prompt and help organize their ideas so that we have these special activities every month.